Number 24. The friendly competition between my older sister and I began as soon as we learned that our aunt had joked that she might write a will leaving her house to me alone. That's a complicated sentence, but there's actually a rather simple problem here. Whenever you have a pronoun underlined, think, is it referring to the right thing? Well, it's referring to me, so that's fine. But when you have two, like John and I, or my older sister and I, and one of them is underlined, cross out the other one and see if that makes sense. Would you ever say between I? No, you'd say between me, right? Between is a preposition that leads into an object pronoun, which is me. Sometimes when we speak, we'll be like, between you and me, and someone will correct us and say between you and I, as though between you and I is always correct. But no, in every case, it depends on what word, if it were alone, would be useful. She gave a gift to John and I? No, she gave a gift to John and me. However, John and me gave her a gift? No, John and I gave her a gift. You see how this works? Here it should be between my older sister and me. Let's see the rest of these if you had a problem with them. As soon as we learned, sure, as soon as something in the past happened, as soon as we learned that our aunt had joked that she might write a will leaving her house to me alone. This is a participle phrase modifying the will. Which will? Oh, the one leaving her house to me alone. That's fine, the use of the idiom. Yes. So I'm going to read it to you correctly, and hopefully you can hear why A is incorrect. The friendly competition between my older sister and me began as soon as we learned that our aunt had joked that she might write a will leaving her house to me alone. Answer is A.